Hello, today we are going to make Aata biscuits. So these are the ingredients. This is 3/4 cup of wheat flour. This is 1/4 cup of brown flour. And this is 1/4 cup of ghee. And this is 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar. Now we will mix these 3 things. This is mixed now. Now we will add ghee. Now the dough is ready. If it's dry, so you can add milk or malai. Now I'm going to make a ball. You can make it from any shape as you want. I'm making a circle, and then you can add some patterns on it. Like I'm taking this fork, and now I'm going to biscuits are ready, as you can see, and now I'm going to grease this pan, non-stick pan. Now time for a little elder's help. Now my mother will light this gas. Mama, can you light the gas?
Sure.
And now I will put these biscuits, but they are too soft, and I can't put them. That's why mother is helping me. Now I will put this pan on the tawa, and my mother will put the plate. Keep the gas flame low and let it bake for 10 to 15 minutes.
A few moments later.
Now the biscuits are ready, and as you can see, I have pulled them down, and now I will show you one piece from inside, and this is crispy also. So thank you for watching.